Today, we're talking about how AI drones are changing the game in agriculture. Imagine a drone soaring over a massive field, monitoring crops. These machines can evaluate crop health, locate pests, and even optimize irrigation. According to recent reports, precision farming can improve crop yields by up to 20%. That's serious business. Switching gears to construction. Drones are now essential tools on building sites. They offer real-time progress updates and help assess safety. A recent study found that using drones in construction can reduce project times by as much as 75%. Picture that, less time on delays and more time on building. Now, let's talk military. Drones are becoming more autonomous, making decisions faster than humans ever could. With AI, military drones can be deployed in complex scenarios, dramatically reducing risks to human life. We saw this in action in Ukraine recently, where autonomous systems played a crucial role in strategies. In logistics, drones are set to redefine the delivery game. Imagine placing an order from home, and within 30 minutes, a drone is dropping your package off at your front door. In College Station, Texas, Amazon is already piloting medical deliveries using drones, promising delivery within 60 minutes. This technology is the future of efficiency. So where do these innovations come from? Companies like Xenotech are constantly pushing boundaries. Recently, they acquired a patent for a new drone design which can carry up to 80 pounds. That means more capabilities for farmers, more accuracy for construction sites, and better tools for rescue missions. Isn't that fascinating? On the tech side, the potential for AI and drones is enormous. It's not just about following commands, but learning from their environment. This AI technology helps them adapt and perform better over time. Such capabilities could lead to reductions in mistakes, which have been a concern with autonomous systems. Experts from multiple fields agree that AI drones can enhance our lives and industries immensely. Organizations are already investing heavily in this technology. It not only streamlines operations, but could potentially create new job opportunities in tech management and drone maintenance. One revolutionary application is in wildfire fighting. Companies like Dryad Networks are creating fleets of drones specifically for this purpose. These drones can quickly identify fire outbreaks and even assist in suppression efforts, which can be crucial in saving lives and property. It's like having a firefighter in the sky. And of course, let's not forget healthcare. The rise of drone delivery for medication is a game changer. Research shows that patients in rural areas often experience longer wait times for prescriptions. Drones can bridge that gap, making healthcare more accessible and timely. However, we must be cautious. The use of AI and drones raises ethical questions, especially in military applications. Experts warn that we need to keep a human in the decision-making loop to avoid unforeseen consequences. This chat about ethics ensures that we are using this powerful technology responsibly. Fast forward 10 years and healthcare could look remarkably different. Picture this: drones delivering medicines directly to patients' homes, ensuring urgent needs are met without delay. AI could also aid in diagnostics, allowing for quicker responses in medical emergencies. Isn't it exciting to think about? As we explore these advancements, I want to hear from you. How do you envision AI drones changing everyday life? Your feedback is crucial in shaping the content of our community. Let's make this a platform for discussion and innovation. Returning to agriculture, the future is incredibly bright with AI drones at the forefront. Drones monitoring the health of crops automatically report back to farmers, informing them where to focus resources. This intelligent approach ensures sustainability and enhances food security. Innovation in drone design is also key. Exhibitions like the one in Tokyo showcase cutting-edge technology, featuring drones that are stealthy yet powerful. Companies are thinking both about efficacy and cost, making drone technology more accessible to everyone. By collaborating across industries, we can push the limits of what drones can achieve together. Agriculture and technology working hand in hand can lead to breakthroughs that benefit us all, reducing hunger while increasing efficiency. It's a win-win. Education is also evolving with these advancements. Universities are incorporating drone technology into engineering programs, preparing the next generation to tackle challenges in real time. Imagine students piloting drones, creating solutions, and pushing technology further. It's inspiring. We've seen many success stories in various sectors. Drones in disaster management have saved countless lives with quick assessments and deliveries. In agriculture, precision farming has improved yields and profit margins. It's clear the impact is tremendous across the board. Startups are driving innovation in this space. With fresh ideas and dynamic approaches to AI and drone technology, they are redefining what's possible. The agility of these new companies is crucial in adapting to changes and meeting market demands head-on. Imagine urban living transformed by drones. From deliveries to real-time traffic monitoring, cities of the future could harness drones to ensure people get what they need when they need it. Enhanced transportation, better urban planning, and greater efficiency could become the norm. Workplace efficiency is another vital aspect that drones can improve. Companies plagued by inefficiencies can implement drone solutions to streamline processes. From surveying construction sites to optimizing inventory management, the positive impact on productivity is undeniable. In marketplaces, drones are already at work bringing goods from one point to another with breathtaking speeds. This evolution not only changes how we shop but reinforces the importance of logistics and distribution efficiency. Now, let's discuss regulations. As much as we love innovation, there are always challenges regarding safety and privacy. As drones become commonplace, how do we ensure they are operated responsibly? Drone racing is becoming a thrilling sport, attracting thousands of fans and participants alike. These competitions not only showcase the technology but inspire young enthusiasts to engage in STEM fields. The excitement is palpable as people cheer on their favorites. We're also hosting community events to get everyone involved in the conversation around AI and drones. It's vital that as this technology advances, we understand its impacts and engage with discussions about how it shapes our future. Living in a tech-driven world opens up so many possibilities. Imagine families using drones for weekend adventures, capturing memorable moments from above. The fusion of technology with everyday life offers a simpler, more enjoyable way to connect with our loved ones. The diversity in drone applications is staggering. From agriculture to entertainment, the potential remains limitless. As we continue to explore these possibilities, we should keep an eye on emerging trends that could transform everyday experiences. News outlets are beginning to cover the implications of AI-enhanced drones. Keeping informed ensures we understand not only the benefits but also the potential risks involved, so we can advocate for responsible innovations. Keep an eye out for the latest gadgets hitting the market. Tech enthusiasts are in for a treat as new drones with AI features get unveiled annually. This spirit of innovation guarantees continual excitement. I genuinely appreciate all your comments and suggestions. Your feedback helps shape this community into a supportive and informative space. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on what content you want to see more of. In conclusion, the bright future of AI drones is upon us. As we continue to see innovations in various industries, it's vital to support each other and tap into the potential that this technology holds, not just for profit but for enhancing our communities and lives. Thank you all for joining me today. I am constantly working on improving the quality of these videos and building a community around AI technology. Make sure to subscribe, engage with the comment section, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Your support makes a difference.